Back to Buckland Junction it is now. I'm at Dover Priory again, waiting for my 5th live steam tour. I think it's the 10th of May and it's Clan Line today, that monster of a machine Clan Line, so we'll wait for it and see how much footage I can get. I'm going to go on the platform 2 before she goes to get a full view of the side, because he's coming in platform 1 here. Here she is. This is one monster of a locomotive, isn't it? Look how clean it is.
35 by 28.
British Pullman. What a beauty. And there she is. Wow, so many people have come to see her today. But it's just so busy, everybody's come to see it today. The lads are up there moving the coal around. And the fire brigade are here putting water in. Lovely Pullman coach here. This is a quick look in the support coach. With all their bits and bobs, little tool bench. I think he's putting some steam oil into the water. That's all happening here at Dover Priory today. See our guards post.
We've accumulated a bit of undergrowth on the way down.
Yeah, we've got some lovely singers here too. Quick look at the Pullman coach. Look at that for a table. Wonderful. Quick look in if we can. Look at that. Just being nosy, sorry.
That's alright.
Oh, beautiful carriages. All plush wood inside. Lovely. Just look at this beautiful rake of shining carriages. Unbelievable. I think these are Mark IIs, aren't they? And Mark IIIs. Those are really old and beautiful inside. Unbelievably beautiful. Let's go and have a look at the end. These are up nice and close. 35028. Shiny. Look at those Fox wheels, look at them. Apparently it was handed over in 1968 to the trust. That's why it's in such good condition. I thought I'd see her in Barry Island, but I'm telling a fibby. There was a merchant navy there, but not this one obviously. travelling. Over this is the crossing we go. So next is tramline. And there she goes. Look at those elegant tables, look at them. British Pullman, Belmont train, England, the Belmont train. Spectacular.
She got one up though, she had a wheel.
Oh right.
Didn't you?
Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope I've got the footage right today. There's so many people here. And we'll see this 375 out and we'll be done. Over the scissor crossing we go. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and share is the important one. Thanks to all my supporters. It's really great. Hopefully I'll be buying a locomotive on the YouTube proceeds very soon. So Alan at Buckland Junction says thanks. Well, as it's such a lovely afternoon, I'm going to go for a pint in the Priory Hotel.